Creating a DNN document for requirements involves outlining the specific needs, functionalities, and constraints associated with the development and deployment of a deep neural network. Here's a structured approach to defining a DNN document for requirements. Pradeep K. Suri, author and researcher. Chapter 3. Introduction. Background. Purpose of the DNN: clarify why the DNN is being developed, example sales forecasting, image recognition, text generation. Business goals: explain how the DNN aligns with broader business objectives or problem-solving needs. Functional requirements. Use cases. Use case 1, describe a primary use case for the DNN, example forecasting sales, recognizing objects in images. Use case 2, outline a secondary use case or additional functionality. Functionalities. Required features: enumerate the functionalities the DNN should support, example prediction accuracy, real-time processing, scalability. Input and output specifications: define the types and formats of input data the DNN will process and the expected output format, example data types, dimensions. Performance requirements. Accuracy expectations: specify the desired accuracy level for the model predictions. Throughput and latency: define the speed and response time requirements for processing data. Non-functional requirements. Scalability and flexibility. Scalability: specify if the DNN should handle increasing amounts of data or workload. Adaptability: address the need for the model to adapt to changing environments or data distributions. Reliability and robustness. Error handling: define how the DNN should handle errors or unexpected inputs. Robustness: specify the tolerance for noisy or incomplete data. Security and privacy. Data privacy: describe requirements for handling sensitive or confidential data. Model security: address any security measures needed to protect the model from attacks or misuse. Technical requirements. Technology stack. Framework and libraries: specify the preferred or required frameworks, example TensorFlow, PyTorch, and libraries for development. Hardware requirements: detail any specific hardware configurations necessary for training or deployment. Development workflow. Data pre-processing: specify steps for data cleaning, normalization, and feature engineering. Model training: define the approach for training the DNN, including validation and hyperparameter tuning. Deployment: outline requirements for deploying the model in a production environment. Constraints and assumptions. Constraints. Resource limitations: address limitations in terms of budget, time, or available expertise. Regulatory compliance: consider any legal or compliance requirements, example GDPR, industry-specific regulations. Assumptions. Data availability: specify assumptions regarding the availability and quality of training data. Stakeholder involvement: address assumptions about stakeholder engagement and feedback during development. Conclusion. Summarize the key points from the requirements document, emphasizing the critical needs and considerations for developing the DNN. This structured document helps align stakeholders, developers, and other involved parties by clearly defining the objectives, functionalities, constraints, and technical specifications for the development of the deep neural network. Adjust it according to the specific context and requirements of your project. Thank you.